So I decided to take this switch apart, and this half just comes off. You can see it's got some burnt, from the contacts arcing. But what I found, so here it is. You can see it's mushy. We got no click, it's not engaging. But what I found, if you look right here, maybe I can point better with my knife. This piece right here, it's part of this lug right here, should be probably glued. It's probably originally glued right in that spot there. And I would bet that if we epoxied, or maybe it was pressed into the plastic. See, it's supposed to be about like that. Keeps popping out. So it wasn't actually the contacts that failed. And see, I can't hold it in there. The best we can do is just put some pressure on it this way. And see, the switch works. It's the microwave actually dinging. A baked potato in the microwave. So yeah, this one, if we epoxied that in there, right there, we could repair this switch. See, it just failed. It just popped out. I don't think there was anything on this end. Does that retain it? No. Well, it does have this little ridge that would push down on it to keep it from popping out, but it probably originally was kind of pressed into that plastic, and maybe with a little bit of glue. But that's what failed on it. Well, if I wanted to, I could probably put some epoxy in there and epoxy the switch back, but just probably not worth it. Yeah. It just will not stay on its own. Alright, it's in there. And it's already popped out. I bet if we put some pressure on that, no, it still won't click. So, like I said, if we wanted to, we could fix it, but it's really not worth it. I'll hold on to it until I at least get some replacements, and that way, if I have another switch that fails, it will. I could try epoxying that in there, but anyway, that's what happened to it. Yeah, hopefully that switch I put in there is probably a little better made. It's probably quite a bit older than this one, and I don't remember where. I don't remember if I looked to see where it was made on the switch. I don't remember. I don't know if it was a USA switch or what, but this one failed. Thanks for watching.